present this aerial drone and ask you my opinion on it, make this short video. Here's everything you'll get sent to you. It comes with a nice hardback carrying case. It has all the cables and instruction manuals you'll need. It's got a joystick controller, which has built-in antennas, and it has a ability to hold your phone so you can watch the app and see the video that it's filming while you're controlling it. You get 2 batteries with this drone. Each one lasts for about 20 minutes. And then the drone itself just folds up. You just take the upper legs out and the bottom legs out, and then you set it up. And your sensitivity is very predictable with the thumb controls. So small inputs are small changes, big inputs, big changes. Really, as you would expect. And the device is really stable. It's pretty windy right here. And it's been just hovering in this nice spot. I think that gyro alignment, the GPS and everything really works well with this. Let's go up high and take some film. Show you what that looks like. Lifting it up to about 10 feet there. Now we'll go ahead and fly forward. Here's what the drone is seeing as we bring it back. Keeps that camera nice and steady. It's on a gimbal on the front there, so your picture is steady despite the drone moving around. And then when I want it to return, I'll just press the return button and it's going to go back and land right where it took off from. Back up in the air, you can see how it takes really nice video. It's got great detail and so stable up there as well. It has some neat features with the app. It can do a GPS follow, so as you move around, the drone will stay with you and follow you and film you as you're moving. It's basically tracking against your phone. But overall, yeah, I'm really impressed. It's a good value. It's got 2 batteries, carrying case, really a good deal overall. I hope you found this video helpful and hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.